for southeastern Granville County, northeastern Wake County, east central Durham County, Franklin County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wake Forest, or 9 miles southeast of Creedmoor, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roseville, Falls Lake State Rec Area, Ingleside, Youngsville, Wake Forest, Falls Lake Boat Ramp, Pernal, Lewisburg, and Franklinton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45